Hello children, welcome back. So today we are going to see LCM. Last class we studied HCF. Today we are going to see LCM. So unit 4, topic LCM. What is LCM? Lowest common multiple. Lowest common multiple. So what is LCM? The LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest of their common multiples. So what is LCM? The LCM of two or more numbers is the smallest of their common multiples. Let us see the example. Example, we write multiple of 6. Okay, 6 tables. So 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, etc. Similarly, write the multiples of 8. So 8, 16, 24, 32, 40 and 48, etc. Listen. We have to write common multiples of 6 and 8. 6 and 8 is common. You write, you circle that. Okay. So 24 is common. Okay. Next, 48 is common. You circle this. Therefore, common multiples of 6 and 8 are 24, 48. So we have written the common multiples in this, which is the lowest multiple. Either 24 or 48, which is the lowest? 24. Therefore, LCM is 24. So, LCM is equal to 24. Okay. Let us see the exercise problem. Okay, children. Now, children, let us see the exercise sum. Find the LCM using prime factorization method. Using prime factorization method. Okay. So, we have to find the LCM using prime factorization method. So, solution, first question, 18, 27. So, prime factorization la kandupidikkanum. Okay. So, prime factorization we have to do like this. Okay. So, 18. See the last digit, even number. So, start with 2 table. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. So, 9 is a odd number. So, start with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Okay. So, therefore, 18 can be expressed 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 3 into 3. Similarly, 27. So, 27 using prime factorization. See the last digit, odd number. So, start with 3 table. 3 9s are 27. 3 9s are 27. So, again 9. So, again 3 table. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. Therefore, 27 can be expressed. How it is expressed? 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. Now, we are going to find the LCM. Listen carefully. So, which is the common numbers in both 18 and 27? 3 is common. You circle this. Again, here 3 is common. Okay. So, therefore, LCM is equal to, listen, common circle பண்ணிக்கிற இந்த ரெண்டு 3 க்கு ஒரே தடவை 3. Again, இந்த ரெண்டு 3 க்கு ஒரு தடவை 3 எழுதிட்டு, in LCM what we have to do? We have to multiply the rest numbers also. விட்டு போன numbers எடுத்து போட்டு multiply பண்ணும். 2 and 3. So, 2 into 3. But in HCF, we won't multiply the remaining digits. But in LCM, we have to multiply 2 and 3 also. Okay. That is equal to 3 3s are 9, 2 3s are 6. So 6, 9 6 are 54. This is the LCM. So common address 3 3 circle பண்ணிட்டு circle பண்ண 3 க்கு ஒரு தடவை 3 common எழுதணும். இங்கேயும் ஒரு தடவை எழுதிட்டு remaining numbers also you have to put and multiply. Okay. So 9 6 are 54. 54 is the LCM of 18 and 24. So last எப்படி எழுதணும்? Therefore LCM of 18, 27 is 54. Okay. This is the answer. Similarly, let us see the second sum. 3 numbers are given. 15, 25, 30. 3 digits we have to find the LCM. Okay. First using prime factorization method. So 15. So last digit 5. Odd number start with 3 table. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Similarly 25. So again odd number 5 table. 3 table it won't come. 25 won't come. So 5 table. 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25. Similarly 30. So 30 is a even number, last digit 0. Start with 2 table. 2 15s are 30. 2 15s are 30. Again 3 table. Odd number no. So 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. Now therefore, so 15 can be expressed. How it is expressed? 3 into 5. So 15 எப்படி express ஆகுது? 3 5s are 15. Similarly 25. 5 5s are 25. Similarly 30. 30 how it is expressed? 2 into 3 into 5. Okay. Now listen. 3 numberli எது common? 5 is common. So you circle this 5. Okay. Now in 15 and 20, 30, 3 is common. You circle this. 3 வந்து ரெண்டு நம்பர்ல காமனா இருக்கு. Circle this. Okay. Now you find LCM. I am writing here. So LCM is equal to, so common ஆகிற 5. மூணுலயும் common ஆகிற 5 ஒரு தடவை 5 into 3 is ரெண்டு நம்பர்ல 3 காமனா இருக்கு. So அதையும் ஒரு தடவை 3 எழுதிட்டு into what we have to do? So remaining numbers also you have to multiply. 5 into 2. 5 into 2. That is equal to 5 3s are 15 into 2 5s are 10. So 15 into 10 is 150. Therefore LCM is equal to 150. Okay. So LCM of 15, 25 and 30 is 150. Okay children. Let us see the next sum. Okay children. Next we see the next sum. Find the LCM by the division method. So first we study prime factorization method. Second method is division method. Okay, LCM வந்து எதுல கண்டுபிடிச்சோம்? Prime factorization ல first கண்டுபிடிச்சோம். இப்போ வந்து division method ல கண்டுபிடிக்கிறோம். So solution 12, 20. 12, 20. So division method ல எப்படி போடணும்? இப்படி போடணும். So ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் சேர்த்து போடணும். But in prime factorization ஒரு நம்பருக்கா போட்டிருப்போம். But in division method ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் எடுத்து போட்டு we have to find the LCM. Okay. See now 12 and 20 are even numbers. So start with 2 table. Okay. Now listen. 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. Come on. 2 10s are 20. 2 10s are 20. Again 6 and 10 are even numbers. Again 2 table. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Come on. 2 5s are 10. 2 5s are 10. That's all. Okay. So 3 and 5 are prime numbers. We cannot express. So stop up to this. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 4 digit multiply பண்ணா உன்னோட LCM. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Once again I repeat. So LCM கண்டுபிடி division methodல கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Prime factorizationல ஒரு நம்பருக்கா போட்டிருப்போம். Division methodல ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் சேர்த்து போட்டு okay even numbers. So start with 2 table. 2 6 are 12. 2 10s are 20. Again 6 and 10 are even numbers. Start with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. The 4 numbers you multiply பண்ணனும். So 2 2s are 4. 3 5s are 15. 15 4s are 60. 15 4s are 60. So LCM is equal to 60. So LCM of 12, 20 is 60. Okay children. Next see the second sum. 30, 55. So division method எப்படி போடணும்? இப்படி போடணும். So ரெண்டு நம்பரையும் சேர்த்து போடணும். 30, 55. Now listen. So 30 is the even number. 55 is the odd number. So you start with 2 table first. Okay. 2 15s are 30. 2 15s are 30. Comma 55 2 table வராது. So 55 அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கணும். Okay. Next 15 comma 55 is odd number. So 3 table start with 3 table. Okay. 3 5s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So in 3 table 55 won't come. So keep it as such. Next 5 table. 4 table 5 varadu 55 varadu. So we are going for 5 table. Okay. 5 1s are 5. 5 1s are 5. Come on. 5 11s are 55. 5 11s are 55. That's all. So 11 on the 11 table. So stop up to this. Now, therefore, LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 11. So 5 digit we have to multiply. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 1 into 11. So that is equal to 2 3s are 6 into 5 1s are 5. 11 then 6 5s are 30 into 11. 30 into 11. So you multiply and see 30 into 11. So 1 into 0 0. 1 3s are 3. 0. So 330. Therefore LCM. So LCM of 30 comma 55 is 330. Okay, once again I repeat. So 30 comma 55. 30 is the even number. So start with 2 table. 2 15s are 30. 55 won't come in 2 tables. So 55 அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கணும். Then 3 table. Okay. 3 5s are 15 comma 55 and 3 table வராது. So 55 அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கணும். Next 5 and 55 will be coming in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. 5 11s are 55. At last you have to multiply the 5 digits and find the LCM. Next see the next sum. Thank you. Next children, let us see the next sum, third sum. 11, 24 and 33. So 3 number கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. 3 நம்பருக்கு LCM கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். Okay, so listen. So 11, 24 and 33. 11 33 odd number, 24 in between no, that is even number. So ஒரு number even number இருந்தாலும் 2 table start பண்ணிரணும். Okay, 11 வந்து 2 table வராது. 11 அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கணும். 24 வரும். 12 2s are 24. 12 2s are 24. 33 வராது. So என்ன பண்ணணும்? 33 அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கணும். Again 12 is a even number. Start with 2 table. So 11 வராது அப்படியே வெச்சிட்டு 2 6 are 12. 2 6 are 12. 33 வராது. அந்த நம்பர் அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கணும். Next again 6 is a even number. 2 table. 11 வராது. 6 வரும். 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 33 வராது. 33 அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கணும். Okay. Next step. Listen. So here 11, 3 and 33 are odd numbers. So 3 and 33 will be coming in 3 table. So சின்ன table இருந்து போணும் லைனா. Okay. So 11 வந்து 3 table வராது. 11 அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கணும். 3 வரும். 3 1s are 3. 3 1s are 3. Come on. 3 11s are 33. 3 11s are 33. Next step 11 1 11. So ரெண்டுமே 11. 11 வந்து 4 table, 5 table, 6 table, 7 10 வரைக்கும் எந்த டேபிள் வராது. 11 டேபிள்ல மட்டும் தான் வரும். So 11. Okay. So 11 1s are 11. 11 1s are 11. 1 வந்து 11 டேபிள் வராது. அது அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கணும். So 11 1s are 11 again. 11 1s are 11. 11 1s are 11. This is the last step. We have to multiply 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. So that is your LCM of 11, 24 and 33. So listen. Therefore LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 times 2 into 3. Now see the LCM. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 11. Okay. That is equal to 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6 into 11. Okay. 2 digit multiply பண்ணி last 11 அப்படியே வெச்சுக்கிறோம். Next 6 4s are 24 into 11. 24 into 11 you multiply here. 24 into 11. So 4 2 1s are 2. Again 4 you add 4 6 2. 264 is the LCM. So LCM is equal to 264. Okay children. Thank you.